Do not forget to stock up on food for your family and pets, but time is running out if you plan to have food and water for 3 days.
Yeah, the stores are mostly closing at least by 11 o'clock tonight. Local 10 News reporter Carlos Suarez is live at a Publix in Miami Shores, where you still have what, about an hour and a half, Carlos?
Lori, you have exactly about an hour and a half left before the store out here on Biscayne Boulevard and Northeast 91st Street closes for the night. The good news is that they will reopen tomorrow. In fact, the customer service section, which is just near where we are, has been fielding phone calls the entire evening, presumably people calling in asking whether or not the Publix will open tomorrow. I'm told that it will. Now, exactly what time it closes obviously depends on the conditions outside, of course, all across South Florida. I can tell you, though, for the first time this evening, and we've been here since about 1 o'clock this afternoon, we are starting to see the crowds thin out. A lot of the workers that we saw earlier in the day replenishing shelves have now turned their attention to trying to pick up the store and then start getting ready for the big rush that they're expecting tomorrow. Donnie, if you can show them a quick look here. I will say this, though, the 13 aisles that have been calling home behind me the entire day, they are still quite busy. That being said, this location on Biscayne and 91st Street has run out of water. It was pretty stocked up earlier in the day, but that is no longer the situation out here. We're told that there are a few bottles, individual bottles, there are some Perriers and some boxes, but other than that, you're not going to find any cases of water here or any pallets of gallons of water. Also gone at this location is pretty much the entire produce section. We're told that that sold out early in the morning, and they really weren't expecting that kind of a volume would take place. Also in short supply out here, paper towels as well as toilet paper. Some of the necessities, of course, that you're going to want to have pretty much any time of day, considering whether or not we have a storm. I can't tell you, outside of the fact from this place that it's going to be open on Thursday and most likely on Friday, is that this Publix location, as well as a majority of Publix stores across South Florida, they have a power generator. All of this was put in place several years ago after a hurricane strike. And so in the event that the Publix does lose its power, just about every store that is in a hurricane zone, more or less, is able to get that generator online. And then they're, of course, able to keep the store running. The Publix manager out here told me that they're expecting to get a shipment of items overnight. And of course, the hope is that they're able to stock the shelves so that when they open tomorrow, people that are looking for any last minute items can come out and pick them up. I know, Calvin and Lori, you were talking about the exact number that you should have, or at least that's recommended by the county. Again, that is a 3-day supply of food, water, and medicine, whether or not that is prescription or over the counter. That's supposed to last 3 days for each individual person at your home. You also don't want to forget your pets, so you should take that into consideration. Again, you have about an hour and a half left to come out to this location on Biscayne Boulevard and 91st Street. That being said, don't expect to show up here and get a hold of any bottled water, whether it's in the jug form or in a gallon, or these cases that you saw people walk out of here earlier. We told that they did run out of those and that right now they're just unable to supply the store with another shipment just yet. Calvin and Lori?
And Carlos, we've got to give a kudos to those Publix workers behind you. They've barely even had a break tonight, have they? The demand has been so great.
The demand has been incredible. Donnie and I, my photographer, were talking about this earlier because the Publix in my Brickell is usually, for all intents and purposes, a mess whether or not we have a storm bearing us on us or not. And this place, they really seem to have had it down to a science. There was a line forming out on aisle 13 earlier today, and you could almost tell that the worker almost knew on cue that he had to go back to the back part of the store, and then he'd walk right out with another pallet of water. The issue for them was obviously that the demand was greater than what they could supply people out here, but you really got a sense that these people knew exactly what they had to do and just how much attention they needed to focus on. And then there were just certain parts of the store that you could really tell there was just no way that they were going to be able to keep up with what people were looking for.
Well, kudos to them for keeping it all going until 11 o'clock tonight. Carlos Suarez, live. Thank you.
I think their motto is, where shopping is a pleasure. It's been a pleasure for a lot of people there tonight.